Blay Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentagas ngi kilong. Rai ka sorkar banbo ke Foreign Contribution Regulation Act sel Meghalaya. Pelat pa UMLA ke South Shillong ya ke song pisa ribusan kelur tingka. Hakarali Tiranga Yatra kawe lama India ke seng BJP Hanongpo. Bat hapo khatsan benai lekmi linti ban hiar lingsun he ha umroy. Bat mentangin pa syaki khubor bakam penya. Menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma haga khatlai terik Nailar ulepen bena baga sorkar kal shimya karai ban bu tanak terekam bathamai halor ke Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA sel. Ha ke Jylla ban pensuk ye kurkom terekam ke bede bat kenikaan. Ulo ongru ye kenika tanat in penterekam shen. Ringkat kejingnya selok bagi sorkar India ban yerap bat ban penbet ye kejing bagi kenhun beper kia kendu.
The Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an FCRA cell within the Home Department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This, of course, will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jylla, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination, we are seeking the support of Government of India, and just I can tell you without giving too much of details that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary, and we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the Government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an FCRA cell, within the Home Department, in the state government, in different locations if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their FCRA license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore, these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India are there when it comes to monitoring and regulating foreign currency, which is a natural procedure that happens throughout the world. But while the procedure to monitor and regulate foreign currency happens, our people should not suffer in terms of them being, facing difficulty and challenges or their assets being seized. So to strike the balance between these two needs is really the need of the hour. And that's what we're working towards, to find a mechanism for regulation, yet not harassing or affecting or damaging our institutions and our organizations which are here helping and working for the poor people of our state.
Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, but Arts and Culture Department, but Khuborjylla MLA South Shillong Constituency. Haga jingrakhi sngi ba ulakot hendriu posinem kerta haga khatlai terik Nailar. Ula pelat ba eka scheme ka bekenjo andrupusan kelur tingka na kebenta ke constituency. Hakini kesngi uba Khuborjylla ula ai kuble kerpang yu menteri rangba u Konrad ke sangma kisembut menteri rangba ba prestun tensong ba snyau bhalang dhar kibalayarap bat kershan ban wanra ik scheme beper na kebenta ke roi kepa ke Jylla bat keni ke constituency. Ula ai kuble ru ye ki officer bat kinong tre ki belepen telun ya ki kam kinong yalam shnong ki pat ba bat ya baro ki bala syak hot ngobha hakini kasngi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
And give them a big round of applause. In the 19th South Constituency, amounting to rupees 65 crore 45 lakh 17,213 rupees.
I'll not forget to express my sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart to all the top officials of various departments within our state, right from the class 1 officer, the top official of officers, till the level of peon, grade 3, grade 4, till the level of cleaner, who are giving me full support in providing me information especially where my file has gone, where my proposal in the file has reached. They give me information as to enable me to push them ahead. So this is I feel so happy to be friend with the top official of various department, to be very close friend with me, even at the rank and level of the grade 3, grade 4, till the level of cleaners. I would like also to say something. You have seen the total amount that we have received from various departments. For a total amount of 65 crore. Happy that through the help.
Ka BJP Riboy District haka khat South Rik Nailar, ka lepelong ya ka rally ka we lama India Tiranga Yatra, ka bajrong shispa san phoput na downgate nongpo, bat kut hamadan NSCA paham sim. Kamadan ban penlong ya ka lekmen sngi lait lut haka khat san Rik Nailar. Kani ka Tiranga Yatra, kalong ban hikai bat pensngu thu ikipai ba, ban burom bat nyokor ya ka lama jongkari India. Kaminsim idri kawanra ya ka jingsngo sarong, ha ka jingmo jing berkat jongkipai ba, kamtam lile ya ki long din ban wan. Ha kani karali, la shimenta di kinoyalam ka BJP Meghalaya, kenthup ya urikmen G Momin, State President, ba wan kitpok poshna, General Secretary, Kong Daniela Nonglan, State Secretary in Charge Riboy, Ba Sen Thaba, President BJP Riboy, Rungkat Kinoyalam, ki Khana School, Bat ki Samla Nagishnong Kanika District. What happening ka jingshit kar anggasngi, Kinoy Shiminta, kila yaat bat kawe ya ka lama kari India, ban penpau ya ka jing ya kari shisngi, Shwaban Raki ya kesngi lailut haga khat santarik unailar arhajar arpunriu hamadan NSCA pahams im nongpok.
Kasian jam ke babiyo penipan dengkat lang hakun kan ketirang lama haga bapi di tempau ialah kata jingkit na kebenta kering lajau. Niso kemen banidan hagani kari gamadap kerhai, kari gabadan ni kata kajingan lo, bangin katun kemanjung. Yunong kebadan boksisa banidan hagani kemain ja, kablaai shibun ki ini hagani lang berinjung. But mentah hagani keseng, mikan mau ya kata kajingan lo, bangin mau beramut, ya borok itu, kibra IT lah kajingan nagamenta kami dari nado kita gilongele belale mantengat tu dari jenu hado kita gibele hado kami berkhidmat kibanyada ya dari jenu na kinongsun te kanuksa itu kinare tu kalong ba apos na madin anda pelahe alasay kari jenu keskinjo ya kata kesis pasnan but kumbo menteri rang bado jenu Narendra Modi rabo ya kata kathong ba so bang kenjo kata si pasnan hindi bani ya kata gari kepelakil but when kenjo siya kata kesenjam banyo kata gari vexes Bharat te nikermen ba ini jing sementa jadi emang benuksa ini kenang ba punya kenal brom ha jing em jadi kat putangnya ba punya yang tila siya dapat lahir asan penjelasan lah dalapai berkenjo kata bani kata jingkap si pasnan tensensutu kata kajingyo jingtoy atau yo action minta begini program kam bertemu jadi nala kebentar dari tentang gini lalu kita kubeshubun
Umentri rangpa ukonrat kisangma ulay thu bakajingtre ban penhe ya kamadan lingsun ha umroy airport kalasdang hadin balayo lut e baro ki jingbet ki paton kam habakren bikila pathai khubor umentri rangpa ulay thu ka project ban penhe ya ka runway lakmi linti ban pendap hapo khatsan panai ka sorkar ka kermen bat kmi linti ru nadu usnem arhajar arpunyo kilingsun ki bakham he ni ki we ki sorba bat kanongba ri India kinla ban hiar ban Quebec ha umroy airport ukonrat ulaong kajingtrei kalasdang hadin bikimat ki berangsa lala ban penbet kajinglet jong u Delhi ban yekendo bat yekren bat kibor badekmi yakini kikam.
Certain developments are there in certain areas. First of all, I'm happy to inform everyone that the clearances required for the Shillong airport runway expansion, all the clearances have been approved. And I'm happy to announce that the work for the extension of the runway has started. This is a very, very important step for us. We had a lot of challenges, but after a deep discussion and detailed discussion, and also my last visit that I made to Delhi, these matters were sorted out, and the work, as I said, of the runway has started. And we expect that this work maximum will be completed in the next 15 months, though we expect it to be faster and before that. So by next year, 2027, we do hope and expect that the larger flights from the different metros will be landing directly in Umroi Airport.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kalasdang banyak syakmat ban penbet ye kijing kibe kendo da kinongti dewyong kibarit ha Jylla kena bikin yo alat bantre ha kurukom kabalong kat kum kaan. Ha bekeren bikilat pathai Khubor Umentri rangba ukonrat kisangma uloong ulay kendo ya ki officer rangba jongka coal ministry bekentup ya secretary but additional secretary hadin ba ulay kren but umentri ka coal ministry hakini ka jingi kendo umentri rangba ula kerpat ban penbet iki kendon kenang bikinong ti dewyong ki barit lani ki badon ki par ki barit kin yo lang ya ka hok ban tri ban keta Umentri rangba ulay tho, kajingya kren bat umentri jong ka coal ministry, kalong ka basyay, bat ka baay jingkarmen. Bat day hadin kata, ula batha pantao no dah ka committee ban pet binya ya kani kamat.
I also had a meeting with the coal ministry, with the ministry officials of the coal ministry. This is as a follow-up to the meeting I had with Honorable Minister and Secretary and Additional Secretary. And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining. And the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed, and there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner. So this is a very important step for us, and I wanted to share with the press as well as with the public at large that things are moving in a positive direction.
Hadin Balawanra Ekajing Penkala Bathamai Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC the Penlong An Bade Tangkiri Ulum Trai Jylla Kibala Bantep Vote MDC HGHADC Umindri Rangba Ukonrat Ke Sangma Ulong Kajing Penbet Thamai Girul Shispa Arpupra Bat Shispa Arpkandai Jong Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council Kablalong Hakashpo Trik Nailar Kari Kasin Jam Kabukong Sanbha Habakren Bikilat Pathai Khubor Umintri Rangba Ulong Kani Kajing Penbet Thamai Kanwanra Ekatop Nong Tap Vote Tang na Kabenta Ki Election MDC Jong Ka GHADC Ha Ki Election MLA.
Of course, as you must have seen in the news, that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council has recently amended the rules, Rule 128 and 129, which was done on the 10th of August. And this is a very, very important step forward, as this is going to create a separate electoral roll for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as it has been mentioned in that amendment, that only residents and citizens belonging to scheduled tribe will be able to vote. Scheduled tribe of Meghalaya will be able to vote in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. Now, this is a very important step, and this also goes in line with the different commitments that have been made from our side also as a government. And we are happy that this is an important step towards protecting the identity and the different rights of the tribal community of the state of Meghalaya.
Pat dagi tugi Khubor ngila poish kabakut tat haduk pengendesian biang kublai shibot.